Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi 8 Lite, and today I would like to show you how you can customize keyboard's theme on this XIAOMI. First of all, go into settings and scroll down. Now you need to tap on additional settings over here and click on languages and input. Then manage keyboards and settings. Over here go into theme and tap on this plus sign under my themes. Then you can select a photo by clicking on the chosen one, pinch it to scale and drag it to move. When you're done, tap next. Adjust the brightness by swiping left or right, tap done and click on the switcher next to key borders to turn them off or on. When you're done, click apply. Now when I go back, I can see that theme of my keyboard was successfully customized. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!